So guys, apart from the left and the right strip method that we have seen in earlier videos, this time we'll see the strip function. Now what strip does is, this strip method is used to remove all the specified leading as well as ending characters from the beginning and the end of the string. Yeah. Now the method removes the leading characters from the beginning of the string followed by trailing characters in the end. Now if a different character than the specified character is encountered, the method stops stripping it. So the strip method also removes a new line character. So that is /n, both from the beginning and the ending of the string while stripping. Yeah. So you need to remember that if you have an end line character, which is /n, which you have seen in our escape characters, so it will remove that as well. Yeah. So syntax for strip is the same thing that we had. Only thing that we need not mention is whether you want to strip it from left or right, because it will automatically strip it from both sides of the string. Yeah. So the string remains the same. The syntax remains the same. Only thing that is we do not need to mention whether it is from left or right. Yeah. Again, character is the character that you want to remove from both sides of the strings. So that is the character that you need to specify within the square brackets. Yes. Okay. So this is the thing that you need to understand. Yeah. So let's use the same thing that we had used earlier. Uh, So when we pass a letter as an argument to the method, the return value will be string with the leadings and the ending characters removed. So if I put the same thing that we had for left and right string, I'll remove the R part from the syntax. Yeah. So you'll find X is removed from both sides of the string. See this? So you do not have the leading and trailing spaces of X in this particular thing. Yeah. So you do not need to write a separate method for left, separate method for right. Yeah. Same way, if you do not specify any argument for strip, it will remove the trailing spaces. If suppose instead of X, I have space. Yes, I do not mention anything. I'll just mention space, or I do not mention anything at all. I remove the space part as well. Yeah. So in the first strip function, I have not mentioned any character that has to be stripped. Whereas in second, I have mentioned that I need to remove the spaces. Yeah. So I'm putting some spaces at the start and end both. So you can see where my double quotes is, and there are a lot of spaces in between. Same way I'll do at the end or at the start. So I have so many spaces at the start of the string and so many spaces at the end of the string. So let's see whether it provides me with the same output. So you can find whether I write the function this way without any character, or if I write it with the space character, it will still delete the leading and trailing spaces of the string. Yeah. So you will have a return value with no spaces at all. Yeah. Now, this method is case sensitive. As I have told you earlier, so suppose if I have this axis, let me put here. So if I have this axis, so some of the axes I make it as in smaller case. Yeah, same I'll do it for the ending characters. So I'll have some smaller case here as well. So this method is case sensitive. So when we pass a particular argument to the method, it will not strip the characters with a different case. which you have seen this in L strip and R strip as well. Yeah. So let's see whether it strips down, how much it strips down the string. You see this? It has not stripped the smaller cases X because it is case sensitive. Hope you understood the differences between R strip, left strip, the limitations and how do they work. Yeah. And you'll use it for data cleaning while you're working for your data analysis. Thank you so much.